of God that you get from qualities of God from the call of Prophet Jeremiah. God is what? He's the creator. Yes, you find that also God is a planner, right? He planned his birth. Before he planned Jeremiah's birth before he was even what? He was born. Before he was even conceived in his mother's womb. So God is a planner. We also learn God is holy. That is why he wanted the people of Judah to worship him. He punishes evil. He allowed the people of Judah to be punished by the people from where? From Babylon. He is also caring. He is just. And he is all-knowing. He knows everything. Then we are going to learn about lessons Christians learn from his call. Before we learn that, did you write the notes?